Where do you like to shop in Enugu? Where exactly do you know in Enugu? Hey there, Ndewono! It's your girl Abby of Southeast back again in the vibrant city of Enugu. And today, we are switching gears from the massive ShopRite to explore another fantastic shopping destination, Spar. Spar, which is also known as Enugu Mall, was officially launched in August 2017 and is situated in the popular Independence layout. It might not be the biggest shopping mall in Enugu, but it offers a fantastic selection of products and a very good place to shop. Whether you are in need of fresh items, locally sourced products, or international brands, you can definitely get them here. There are also some really great outlets here to help satisfy your basic needs. So, whether you're a local or just visiting, Spar is a great option for an efficient shopping experience. Have you visited Spar Enugu? And what was your experience like? What exactly do you love the most about Spar? I would like to know in the comment section. I know you enjoyed watching this video, so make sure you like, share and say subscribe to this channel as we continue our 100 days challenge exploring lifestyle and real estate right here in Southeast Nigeria. Until next time, see you in my next video. Bye!